Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro Advice. Today we will review an exciting tool from Stellar Data Recovery, Stellar Converter for MBOX. Guys, this software is a powerful solution for anyone who wants to migrate their Google Takeout MBOX data to PhD. So you want to migrate your Google MBOX to Outlook. So this software is perfect solution. Let's dive into the detail and take a look at how this tool works. Stellar Converter for MBOX is specially designed for users who need to migrate their emails from MBOX files, like those from Google Takeout to Outlook in PHP format. Whether you are moving your Gmail data, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or other MBOX compatible clients, this software has got you covered. Let's quickly go over some of the key features of this tool. MBOX to PHP conversion. It allows you to convert MBOX files to PHP, the format used by Outlook, making it super easy to migrate emails seamlessly. Preview function in demo version. The demo version even lets you preview your MBOX data so you can get an idea of what you are migrating before making the switch. List of email clients support Gmail, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, and many more. It supports popular email clients like Gmail, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, and many more. With a clean, user-friendly interface, Stellar Converter for MBOX is easy to use for both beginners and advanced users. If you want to export your Gmail data, you can use Google Takeout. Just log in your Google account, select the mail option, and export your data to an MBOX file. Once that's done, you will have a file ready to be converted with Stellar Converter for MBOX. Now let's jump into a quick tutorial how to use this tool. I downloaded the Stellar Converter for MBOX and entered the product key provided. Here is how you can convert your MBOX files to PHP. Once the conversion is complete, you can save the file in PHP format and open it in Outlook. Why use Stellar Converter for MBOX over other tools? First, it's why use Stellar Converter for MBOX over other tools? First, it's reliable and maintains data integrity. It's reliable and maintains data integrity. Second, it's super easy to use. And we've seen. Lastly, it's trusted by countless users around the globe. It's trusted by countless users around the globe, making it go-to solution for email migration. The full version of Stellar Converter for MBOX is available for $100 and it provides complete access, including data saving and ongoing support. So that winds up our review of Stellar Converter for MBOX. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumb and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in comments below.